Host Julene, welcome to another episode of our podcast, where we explore the exciting world of artificial intelligence. Today we have a very special guest, Mark, the HumanGPT, with us. Mark, we're going to discuss the ethics of artificial intelligence. But first, can you give our listeners a brief overview of what AI ethics is all about? Mark, thanks for having me, Julene. AI ethics is concerned with the moral and ethical implications of creating and using artificial intelligence. It encompasses issues such as privacy, bias, accountability, and transparency. As AI becomes more advanced and integrated into our lives, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications of its development and use. Julene, that's a great overview, Mark. So, what are some of the ethical challenges that arise with AI? Mark, one of the main challenges is bias. AI systems are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on. If the data is biased, the AI system will learn and perpetuate that bias. This can have serious implications, such as discriminating against certain groups of people in hiring, credit, and other areas. Another challenge is accountability. Who is responsible if an AI system causes harm or makes a mistake? Should it be the developers, the users, or the AI system itself? These are complex questions that need to be addressed. Julene, yes, those are definitely challenging questions. So, how do we ensure that AI is developed and used in an ethical manner? Mark, one way is to involve a diverse range of stakeholders in the development and implementation of AI systems. This can include ethicists, policymakers, and representatives from the communities that will be affected by the AI system. By involving a range of perspectives, we can identify and address potential ethical issues. Another way is to prioritize transparency and accountability. Developers should be transparent about how their AI systems work and what data they are using. They should also be accountable for any negative consequences that arise from the use of their AI systems. Julene, I see. So, what are some of the best practices for ensuring ethical AI development and use? Mark, there are several best practices that developers and users can follow. One is to ensure that the data used to train AI systems is diverse and representative. This can help reduce bias in the AI system. Another best practice is to design AI systems with human oversight and control. This means ensuring that humans are involved in the decision-making process, and that they have the ability to override the AI system if necessary. Finally, it's important to continuously monitor and evaluate AI systems for potential ethical issues. Developers and users should be open to feedback and willing to make changes to their AI systems if necessary. Julene, those are some excellent points, Mark. So, what do you think the future of AI ethics looks like? Mark, I think that AI ethics will become an increasingly important issue as AI becomes more integrated into our lives. We'll see more discussions around transparency, accountability, and bias in AI development and use. There will also be a need for continued dialogue and collaboration between developers, policymakers, ethicists, and other stakeholders. By working together, we can ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that benefits society as a whole. Julene, I couldn't agree more, Mark. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for joining us and for sharing your insights on the ethics of artificial intelligence. Mark, thank you for having me, Julene. It was a pleasure to chat with you.